Hey, welcome back to Collector's Conquest. Today we got a wild show for you. We're going to do 26 of these Wacky Packages minis. And so they come with a whole bunch of things inside of them. And we got a whole bunch to open up. They're basically like little joke brands, little parody brands, kind of like in the vein of Garbage Pail Kids and stuff. Before that, we got a couple of letters and cards from community YouTubers. And then we got this awesome Jeremy Collects mystery box for his last Patreon month. So first we're going to start out with some of these cards. First up, we got Mama J, got this awesome Dustin from Stranger Things. Pretty cool. Let's check this out. We got the Rock little sticker on the back. So let's see what Mama J sent us. Man, a ton of stuff. All right. So we got We Love Movies trivia card. True or false? Eddie Murphy is the voice of Donkey in the Shrek series. Answer is true. Who wrote the screenplay for Steve Jobs? A. Aaron Sorkin. B. Ben Affleck. C. James Cameron. A. Aaron Sorkin. All right, we got a Cyborg from the Ooshies card series. I really like those cards. We got us an American Bandstand Marine McGovern. We got a We Love 90s trivia. In 1993, the Nobel Peace Prize was awarded jointly to F.W. de Klerk and whom? Chris Haney, Shimon Peres, or Nelson Mandela? Nelson Mandela. What European entity was created by the 1992 Maastricht Treaty? NAFTA, European Union, or Allied Forces? European Union. Wow, those are some wild and crazy 90s questions. Okay, I'm back. We got this Thor Marvel Funko Pop card. We got these Funko Pop shorts here. Got a cool little alien sticker. And we got a I can't talk to you today. I talked to 2 people yesterday. It's pretty much what I'm like at work. La Tour de Monde and 80 tours. Around the World in 80 Days. Little postcard. Cece, thanks for your support and being an awesome member of the community. Love, Mama J. And last but definitely not least, the most epic sticker right here. Look at that. And I believe this is glow in the dark. I'll test this out and let you guys see it. Oh my gosh, this has to be the most epic glow sticker I've ever seen. Look how bright that thing is, and it's not even getting darker. That thing is so cool, Mama J. Man, that is great. But look at how awesome that logo is for Mama J. That is rocking right there. All right, let's get to another rocking piece of mail here. And I thought this was funny. This is from Chase's Kingdom, and he forgot to take the sticky part out. So hopefully we still got all the contents in here because it wasn't sealed. All right. It's a thank you card. Thank you so much. And it says, thanks for the support. Hails from the Kingdom. Check it out. And he sent me an Ushi's Captain Boomerang holographic. That's awesome. I have a couple packs of those open, so it's cool that I'm getting some more. We got this something Savages, sticker Savages. Look at that. That's a wild sticker there. Man, everything's wild on this show. Look at this. Wild, wild, wild. My shirt, Mad Balls, are wild. And then we got the Chase's Kingdom sticker. And it's time to add Chase's Kingdom to the Conquest shield. I'm running out of space, but I'm just going to have to cover up part of some other ones. So let's add Chase's Kingdom to the Conquest shield. Alright, I got the sticker off. And we're going to add him way up here on the top. And we're going to cover up a little bit of Mama J's, but I'm sure she'll understand. But we got Chase's Kingdom up here. Pretty awesome part of the Conquest shield now. So let's get to Jeremy Collects mystery box here. And this is for last month's Patreon mystery box. So the month before, I hit a grail out of the mystery box. And it was the Bigfoot with the marshmallow. So that was pretty awesome. I mean, I don't expect to hit a grail every month, but it would be awesome if I did. So let's see what we got. We got another sticker here. Jeremy Collects. That'll go up on my besides the Conquest shield, I have a sticker board that I use sometimes on my live videos. And it's got everyone else's stickers. Like if they send me a whole bunch, like Mama J sends multiple, I put them up on that one. And I just leave the main sticker on the Conquest shield. Alright, let's see what we got here. 3, 2, boom! What is it? It's in wrapper. Let's check it out, see what we got here. We got us... Ooh, the Legend of Korra. Oh, Glow Chase! Heck yeah! So this is like an offshoot of the Avatar series. My son, actually my whole family is really into Avatar. So this is a cool pop here. Man, this is awesome. I'm going to have to check this out. Definitely check out the glow and check out the PPG on this to see how we did on our Jeremy Collects mystery box for our second box. Wow, I got another top hit from Jeremy Collects. This is a $55 Funko Pop. And actually, this is another case where the special edition sticker is worth more than the Hot Topic sticker. The Hot Topic was worth $40. This special edition is worth $55. So that's amazing. Thank you so much for this awesome mystery box. I mean, if that doesn't get you to join his Patreon, I don't know what would. So there's not a lot of parts that glow on this one. The eyes and the little symbol on her shirt. But still pretty cool. Check it out. Pretty awesome looking. I like how the eyes glow and stuff. So let's get to all these freaking wacky packages, because we got a bunch. So here's another look at the side. Got the world's smallest, and this is series 3. Only have 2 in this box, but as you see behind me, I got a whole bunch of these boxes. All right, let's start. You can see one little package from the top, but I believe once we open it up, we should have a few more items inside. I'm going to have to open these pretty quick to get through them all today. We got Rowdy It's Hot Stuff Gelatin Dessert. Pretty dang cool. And it's got just like jalapeno peppers and a fire hydrant. So we're going to open up here, and if you look in there, there's a bunch of stuff in there. All right, our next product is going to be Cut Wrong, the rip-off wrap hacked paper. So that's kind of like tin foil there. We got us a little paper with all the items on it. I'm not going to mark them all off right now, so we'll have to look at that later maybe. Looks like there's another paper in here, advertisement for more of the world's smallest toys. So let's rip into the rest in here. Looks like we got like the top piece and then what, 4 other items in here. So you get a whole bunch of different brands in each package. All right, our next one is Pupsy Cola. Got a little puppy dog there. Says the soft drink for dogs. All right, our next pack here is gonna be Crazy Crackers. You'll go nuts over them. Pretty cool little pack. And then we got our last one here. I promise I'll go faster through those. We got Bon Ami Bone Polishing Cleanser for good looking corpses. It's got a little skull and maybe a zombie or something there. Pretty cool. All right, let's get to our next one here. So on the top we got Wind Axe, break glass to remove axe. So it's got a little axe on there. Sorry, I don't do a lot of close-ups on my camera just because I don't want to sit here and let it focus. So you can see the stuff a little bit further away, but you get the gist of it. Alright, our next piece, we got Creep Fang Paste for monsters. So it's like little fang toothpaste for monsters. So far we have no duplicates, so that's cool. Oh, and it looks like there's a sticker on the bottom of the, that was the Doesn't It Do Nothing sticker. And then this was the Foolite sticker. Ducko Cement, made by ducks, contains genuine duck feathers. So it's a little duck. We got Broken Cookies, lots of bits and pieces, Pooperidge Farm. That's pretty funny. A little Pepperidge Farm package. I like how these are hard plastic, so they're not like, you don't squish on them and they break or anything, or they bend inwards. So you can actually be a little bit rougher with them. Gonna be Brittle Soap Pads. Brittle Soap Pads. On the top we got Jerky Fruits. Kind of like Juji Fruits, I guess. Auto Junkyard Candy. There's gonna be Crazy Crackers on that one. Mrs. Small's Tiny Fish Sticks. Martian hats, space flavors. I like that one. Pretty cool, like classic out of this world candy. We got bum checks. Prison sentence with every box. So I'm guessing it's talking about like writing a bad check. And we got corned beef hash bread crust. It's got a dog and a guy eating some corned beef hash. 1% corned beef, 99% bread crust. Alright, on the top we got another box of Rowdy there. So that's a duplicate. Got a duplicate sticker. Got a duplicate Crazy Crackers. Duplicate Pupsy Cola. Duplicate Cut Wrong. So I wonder if these packs, I wonder if this is a complete duplicate pack from what I got earlier. And then the Bon Ami. So yeah, seems like some of the packs are completely identical, I would guess. Alright, we got ale here. The alcoholic detergent for big boozers and barbarians. We got Progresso raw clammy sauce. Ugh. Alright, in this one we got some new ones. Stops traffic dead oil shortage. We got Yicks meditating cough drops. We got Doesn't Delight Fright Cocktail. That's pretty crazy. For overweight monsters. And then we got another oil can in the same pack. That's weird. Oh, but they're different. Look, they're different colors. So one of these might be more rare than the other one. We'll have to check that list at the end. Alright, the top of this one we got Progresso raw clammy sauce. Sludge brick mix sticker. Alright, we got some new ones in this one. Hippie trash bags. We got Rice a Phony. Last forever. We got Clammy, Slippery Clammy, the fishy smelling soap. Yuck. It's even got like the folds on the side like the soap. That's cool. Last one in this pack we got Hertz Crazy Canary Food. It's food for birds and there's a dead bird on it. Alright, on the top of this one we got Mueller's Dreg Noodles Stubborn Flavor. And it's got noodles for donkeys. Bash sticker. We got us a 6 ERP 12 burpee ounces. So it's like 7 Up. The gassy one. Alright, our next one we got Looney Noodles for people who don't use their noodles. Mushy Goonman's Looney Noodles. We got Swiss Mess Instant Sloppy Mix. Murky Chocolate. And then we got another one here. So let's see if these are different. They look pretty much the same. So I think that's a duplicate in the same package. That's pretty wild right there. We got casket. Automatically disposes of dishes. Got a Swiss mess sticker there. Alright, some new ones in this one. We got Tide detergent. Says your clothes will be fit to be tied. We got a round one, big round one here. It says Sicken of the Sea seasick pills. So it's like tuna, chicken of the sea, but it's seasick pills. We got Ivory Snow, the detergent that leaves you cold. Great for snowballs. We got Bald, high-powered toupee cleanser. Flip your wig with Bald. Alright, so that one was a complete duplicate. We got L Yicks, 2 of those motor oils, and the Fright cocktail. So it's looking like maybe even if the top piece is the same of one I've already opened, that the whole pack is going to be the same. And if that's true, then maybe I don't need to open all these. Maybe I'll just put some of these that I have duplicates in mystery boxes for people. But I'm going to open a couple more that I know are duplicates to make sure that I don't need to open the ones that I've already pulled. Yeah, I got another completely duplicated pack there. So we're going to skip the ones that I know I've already opened and just try to find some that I haven't opened yet. Okay, so I found about 5 packs that are different. The rest were all duplicates. I wish I would have known that when I bought these, but they weren't too expensive, so I'm sure people will enjoy opening these in a mystery box or whatever I send out. But let's open the rest of these, see what funny ones we find. We got a sludge brick mix here, Betty Cooked. That's pretty cool. Just one box builds a 2-story house. Or no, Betty Crooked it says. The Bon Ami sticker. Alright, let's see what brands we got here. We got Dowd's Drafty Style Boot Beer. Boot Beer. We got another Dowd. Doze Off with Dowd, the dull laundry soap. Bores away dirt. We got Lava soap. Run for your life. It erupts. Man, the typing on this is so small. The font. Hard to read. Oh, heck yeah. I used to love this soda when I was drinking soda. We got the real one, Mountain Dew, but this is Mountain Goo. Volcanic Lava. 12 molten ounces. That's probably my favorite by far so far that I've pulled open. Fright Guard on this one. Sticker is duck cement. We got dampers. Sure to rust your hampers. We got a Pepsi Cola red version. I wonder if this, yeah, the last one we got was a blue cap on it. We got Arg, Coarse Stench. And we got Sorry Wrap here. Wrap sandwiches permanently. That's not very useful. Shrunken donuts. The sticker is the tiny fish sticks. Alright, we got Bash concrete. It says for people with rocks in their head. And she dropped the box on her foot. Choke Up, the super frightening toothpaste, and it's got like King Kong right there. Burn style leftovers with the secret sauce. Bird brain, irrational recipe. Even we don't know what's in it. We got Mad Dog Food. The top one on this one is Drainola. The cereal you want to pour down the drain makes breakfast unbearable. We got some 8 Lives tuna sticker. Alright, we got Toad. For the cleanest frog in town. Froggy's favorite toad. Bubble bath for toads. We got Stove Glop. 15-minute stuffing mess. Wash and Fly scares dirt away. Oh. We got Choke King tasty chopsticks. Don't eat the chopsticks. All right, our last one that's not a duplicate. Let's check out what's inside this one. So the one on the top, Spit and Spill, the big glob cleaner. We got the Fight Poison Ivy with soap sticker. All right, we got Buzz Bee detergent. Soaks out stains from dirty bees. Haha crackers made on the funny farm. That's funny. We got Fibbies, Liar's Juice. Favorite of politicians. And our last one is Hardly Wrapped. Tough to control, the real rip-off paper. So we had one that will permanently wrap your sandwich, and this one you can't even get your sandwich wrapped with. So I'm going to go through the list here and painstakingly check off the ones that I got and see how far away we are from completing the set. I don't think I'll buy any more unless I go to the store and notice the top that has a, you know, it kind of gives you an indicator if you've already bought that pack or not. So maybe if I find some that I know I haven't bought before, I might buy those. But let me check the list real quick. So it turns out we're only missing about 24 roughly. I didn't like super fine tooth comb this. 24 out of 82, which isn't too bad. We got some rares here, like the 6 Erp, the Mountain Goo, the Motor Oil, and the Pupsy Cola. Looks like the ultra rare is going to be, if I find the Bar Kissed in a pack later. But we did get a really rare, and it's that Fibby's Liar Juice. And then we're missing a couple of the other really rares. But man, those were pretty fun to open up. Thanks to all the people who sent me mail. Mama J, Chase's Kingdom, that awesome Patreon mystery box from Jeremy Collects. Make sure you go to the description and check out all 3 of their channels. But thanks for checking out Collectors Conquest. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, it's Collectors Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers. We got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collectors Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.